one of those days where I strap on a camera and I'm just like, do I vlog or not? But I do have to document every day, every ride. That's what this vlog is. I don't know if you noticed it by now, but it's not about it's not really about bullet points. It's more about miles. Dude, for the love of sweet spaghetti, why are you driving like you're like a magic bean rolling under the fucking carpet? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. That's right, there's one more. Just when you didn't expect it, did you? You didn't expect it, did you? Comment below if you expected this vlog. Anyway, it's a Monday. It's even though it's like 50 degrees and it's one of the warmer days in a while, because it's a little gloomy at the moment, it feels a little chilly. Feels a little almost damp and unpleasant. And I see there is a little bit of traffic here and there because I am leaving a little late. Normally I head out before 8 and now it's like 8:30, but these things happen and it's a gorgeous day. I'm looking forward to this Monday, looking forward to a lot of things I gotta get done. There's a couple of things at work I need to straighten out, make nice. Today is gonna be I wouldn't say an easy day, but I'm gonna ease into things, and tomorrow will be a real start to the week. Tomorrow will be like real deal. This person is not trying to turn, so I'm gonna go in. Look at these folks taking their sweet fucking time. Green light ahead. Let's make it, boys. Let's make the light. Okay. It's very gentle driving this morning. Very gentle and delicate kind of driving, and that's okay. This light is about to change right before I get to cross it, isn't it? Okay. Weird. I don't understand why, but stop right here. Pop out to the left. Savagery. I could pull up, you know, and get ahead, but I wasn't trying to be a savage. But now with these slow pos, I may not even be able to make it to the freaking light. Bastards. Fucking bastards. Oh, there's probably a few spots up that way that I can make up. Just like a little bit. I'm not trying to be a complete savage now. You know? Just a halfway savage, as I always say. Those Moto Market NYC today. You're really going there? What? Which way are you going there, fucking champ? What is your fucking malfunction, buddy? So yeah, there was a Moto Market NYC today, which is like this cool little event put up by my friends. My friend Christina Kirsten. God damn it. But yeah, there's a cool event that happened this weekend where basically it's like a swap meet for all the motorcycles. I mentioned it before, and yeah, there's like a lot of cool shit there, a lot of cool people, cool community, cool items, cool vendors. Plus it was a beautiful day, so people just got together and you know, got to hang out, got to look at some motorcycle items, got to see each other, got to look at each other's bikes. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I see there's a little bit of traffic ahead. I'm gonna have to probably make a couple of moves. Nothing too major, but gonna have to get ahead because this is about to stop. It's terrible. It's one of those days where I strap on a camera and I'm just like, do I vlog or not? But I do have to document every day, every ride. That's what this vlog is. I don't know if you noticed it by now, but it's not about it's not really about bullet points. It's more about miles. This vlog is all about miles. I'm just doing them. My bike is at 37,517 miles. Not a little boy anymore. Not a little boy anymore. It's a man bike. Middle-aged men. I don't think it's a grandpa just yet, but oh no. This pow. I think I'll just have to chill. I'll just have to chill out. There's no need for me to be lane splitting past the PP, and PP is the popo. Just pull over right here. And chill. What a gorgeous day. I like it. I feel like today I'm gonna accomplish a lot. It's like, you know, sometimes you wake up in the morning and you have one of those days where you feel like you need to get some shit done. I feel like that today. I'm planning on getting a lot of shit done at work and then getting home and doing some things for this vlog. I'm just like cleaning my place, organizing. Been watching this Netflix special about this lady. I forgot her name, but she organizes. She's like this Japanese lady. She does a lot of good organizational things, and I gotta tighten up my crib, make it more efficient, more organized. Organization is important. The way you get shit done. The way you're not spending time getting ready to get things done. You just jump in and do things. Look at that. 2 motorcyclists. Impressive. This really sucks though. I do want to split up, but should I? Why not? I wonder if it's going to end up being a sunny, warm day, or is it going to be like this? And look at that Honda Pilot. He needs to pump up the tires. Them tires need some air really badly. No idea what he's doing, but I'm not gonna question. Alright. Almost there. I don't understand how these people are driving like this. Like, what is this fucking person doing? So stupid. Like, why would you do that? Keep distances like that in traffic. Like, look, and we're totally moving now. Why were we going 10 miles per hour before? No fucking reason at all. No fucking reason at all. 9 Celsius. It's a little bit chillier than I would have liked. 48. And I'm wearing my regular gloves. No more heated gloves. Hopefully that season is over. I do plan on going upstate this weekend, and that's like over 100. It's like 150 miles, and I'll wear heated gloves then. But for now, just regular gloves will do. Come on, Range Rover. You can give birth under the carpet? No, under the mattress. Trying to decide, do I want to go straight or do I want to go on the cobblestones? I'm gonna go to the cobblestones today. Behind this sweet taxi. This guy is gonna take his sweet time, so I'm actually gonna get ahead. get ahead. Gotta know the line through the bumps, through the cobbles. Which way are you going there, champ? No idea. Oh boy. People are driving like 1 mile per hour here. What is going on? Good bananas. You're gonna freaking go or no? Good bananas. And here we are. Alright, boys and girls. I'm gonna find a place to park and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.